question of the day. What is order blocks? Why are they important? How you compare it with a good entry model? And simply, whether you're new or experienced in the market, this is the video for you, because I'm going to be going into depth on what a order block is and why it's a part of ICT. So right here, what do we see? A manipulation. What do we see up here? A market structure shift. So, or also a change of a state of delivery, which I don't even have drawn out over here, but change of a state of delivery. Now, where are we going to put our order block? Our order block is going to be right over here. Reason? Because order blocks are always going to go on the last two candles that made that push to make that market structure shift. So what do we see? We made a full body close, which created that market structure shift, that verification that we do want to continue higher, and we are changing our direction from a downtrend in this case to an uptrend. And right here, we come tap in to that order block right at the discount of the order block as well, right at that 0.5, and we continue higher. So it's honestly as simple as that. So let me show you a live example right over here. So what's the first thing we see? Well, if we want to align the timeframes, on the 1 minute, we have a sell side liquidity. So that's already one indication as to why we might want to look higher. Then we continue. Well, right over here, what's another thing we see? Well, I see a manipulation leg. What do I see as well? I see this as being a market structure shift, or we can also see this as a change of state of delivery, but my preference, market structure shifts are always better to look for in the market. More safer of an entry. Yes, you have a bit of a higher RR, but they're safer, trust me. I've learned the hard way. So this is our market structure shift right here because we have a full body close. Now, what do we see? Well, this is our order block right over here. So are we going to come tap into it? Yes, we do. What are we also tapping into? Now this becomes a form of a unicorn model, because inside of this order block, we have a fair value gap. So aligning these time frames, this is a obvious buy model. So we take our buy over here. Stop loss would go right below the lows, because I can tell that if we were to make a full body close past this order block and this little fair value gap in here, I would know that this is not a model I'd be interested in staying in. So as you can see, big push up right to the previous highs. Now I take profit, and guys, it's honestly as simple as that. So order blocks, you are always going to find them right before the push of the market structure shift. So I hope you understood how order blocks work and how to find them in the market. They are fairly simple. Just trying to find them and actually seeing it play out is a bit difficult because they aren't that common in the market. But when they do end up showing up, they are very consistent. So as I said, on the push to make that market structure shift, that's on those 2 candles or 3 candles or 4 candles, that's going to be your order block. So if you did like this video, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments. And I also have a Discord group. It's free. I'm not charging anything. And we pretty much just chill. We show each other our strategies and we talk during New York Open. So if you are interested, link is down below.